At Thoreau High School, we're driving innovation in our Automotive Technology program, where students gain the skills and knowledge needed to excel in the automotive industry. But our learning doesn't stop there. Our Schools of Media super theme brings a unique dimension to how we teach and learn, blending technical expertise with creative communication.
The automotive program here in Thoreau will teach you a lot of stuff based on preferences of oil changes, tire rotations, and basic vehicle repair.
Our Automotive Technology program teaches students to master the tools of the trade, from traditional mechanics to cutting-edge automotive technology.
The type of careers you can get in with this program is become an automotive tech, a diesel engine tech, a heavy machinery tech, and aviation tech.
In our Automotive Technology program, students gain hands-on experience that prepares them for a wide range of careers in the automotive industry, including opportunities in repair shops, dealerships, and even automotive design.
I love this program because it teaches me a lot of stuff, and I would love to become a heavy diesel tech.
At Thoreau High School, the Automotive Technology program is part of a broader vision. Through our Schools of Media, students learn to document, present, and market their technical skills, making them well-rounded professionals ready for the challenges of the modern workforce.
We are learning about which type of microphones there are and what type is used for which event. For cameras, we are learning about lighting, settings, and mostly on autofocusing. I think who would be a good fit for this program is someone who really likes photography and likes filming videos.
Our students leave the Automotive Technology program with more than just technical skills. They gain a unique competitive advantage by learning how to showcase their work, tell their story, and connect with the wider world through the Schools of Media.
If this looks cool for you going into this field, it would be a really good choice of you.
At Thoreau High School, we're not just fixing cars, we're driving innovation and creativity. With our Automotive Technology program at the forefront and our Schools of Media enhancing the learning experience, students are prepared to succeed in any path they choose.